When markets are performing strongly, it often feels like everything is under control. Investors see rising portfolios, positive news headlines, and increasing confidence across financial media. It creates a powerful sense of stability and opportunity, as if the upward trend will continue indefinitely. But behind this strong market performance, there are often hidden risks quietly building beneath the surface. These risks are not always visible in daily price movements, and they can catch even experienced investors off guard when conditions suddenly change. One of the biggest hidden risks during strong market performance is overconfidence. When prices are rising consistently, investors begin to assume that the trend is safe and predictable. This can lead to more aggressive investing behavior, such as taking on excessive leverage, ignoring diversification, or entering the market without proper risk management. Overconfidence can distort judgment and make investors believe that temporary gains are permanent, which is rarely the case in financial markets. Another major risk is overvaluation. During strong bull markets, asset prices often rise faster than their underlying fundamentals. Companies may see their stock prices increase even when their earnings, revenue, or growth potential do not justify such valuations. This disconnect between price and value can grow silently over time. Eventually, when reality catches up, the correction can be sharp and painful, especially for those who bought at inflated levels. Liquidity risk also tends to build quietly in strong markets. When everything is rising, investors feel confident that they can easily buy or sell assets at any time. However, liquidity can disappear quickly during periods of stress. Many investors discover this only when they try to exit positions during a downturn and find that there are fewer buyers available, causing prices to fall faster than expected. Another hidden danger is excessive speculation. Strong market performance often attracts new participants who are motivated more by quick profits than long-term investing. This can lead to speculative bubbles in certain sectors, where prices are driven more by hype and momentum than by real value. These bubbles can expand rapidly but eventually become unstable, leading to sudden and severe corrections. Market concentration is another risk that is often overlooked. In many strong market phases, a small number of large companies drive most of the gains. This creates an illusion of broad market strength, when in reality, performance is heavily dependent on a few dominant players. If those companies face challenges or slowdowns, the entire market can be significantly affected. Behavioral biases also become more pronounced during strong performance periods. Investors may suffer from confirmation bias, where they only pay attention to information that supports their optimistic views while ignoring warning signs. They may also experience FOMO, the fear of missing out, which pushes them to invest at higher prices without proper analysis. These emotional decisions can lead to poor timing and increased losses when the market eventually shifts. Inflation and interest rate risks are also often underestimated during bullish conditions. When markets are rising, investors may overlook macroeconomic factors that are quietly changing in the background. Rising inflation or tightening monetary policy can have a delayed impact on asset prices. When these effects finally become visible, they can quickly reverse market momentum. Another important hidden risk is the buildup of corporate debt. During strong market conditions, companies often take advantage of favorable borrowing environments to expand aggressively. While this can boost growth in the short term, high debt levels become dangerous when economic conditions tighten or revenues slow down. Companies with excessive leverage may struggle to meet obligations, leading to financial instability. Global risk can also be ignored during strong domestic market performance. Investors may become focused only on local gains and overlook geopolitical tensions, supply chain disruptions, or global economic slowdowns. These external factors can suddenly impact markets and break the positive trend that seems stable. Perhaps one of the most underestimated risks is the illusion of permanence. Strong market performance can create a psychological belief that this time is different and that downturns are less likely or even outdated. History shows that markets move in cycles, and every period of growth is eventually followed by correction or consolidation. Ignoring this cycle can lead to unpreparedness when conditions change. The danger is not in strong markets themselves, but in how investors behave during them. Rising prices are not inherently risky, but the decisions made in response to rising prices can be. The real risk builds slowly through optimism, complacency, and emotional